Alright, so we're back from the store. I didn't record any of that, but here we go. We got some corrugated tin. Now it's time to move it into the back of the house. Well, that sucks. I just broke it. Gets back to doing it by regular hand. And yeah, I'll fix this later. wide. Those are 7 together. 26 minus 7. Alright, so my camera actually died whenever I was drilling out, so I have holes. Do I?
You're not gonna put music on it?
Okay, y'all, as you can see, I was losing light, so I went ahead and brought you back into my dirty shop and go ahead and finish this out. So if you want to see what that panel looks like, come on back, and hopefully I get this done tomorrow. I know they're calling for rain, and should only be in the morning. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some of this knocked out. We had to go do our taxes today, and that ended up taking a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. Oh, and remember, don't forget to send in those recommendations to our Top 10 Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, we're coming out with a top 10 of whatever it is. Either it's gardening, blacksmithing, or just channels in general of what you guys recommend to us. Okay, so either down in the comments, recommend a channel, right? I do ask that those channels are under 1,000 subs, but as long as they're under 5,000, I'll still take that recommendation and I'll still post them up. Okay, especially if I really feel that they deserve the credit for a top 10. Okay, so check those links down in the description. You can go to our Etsy, all that other jazz, Facebook, Instagram, and Tito came in. He wanted to say hi and say bye. Say bye, Tito. Bye, Tito. All right, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.